guys, it's that guy in a Subaru again. If you click on this video, you want to hear how the Nameless Muffler Delete sounds compared to stock. And I'm not doing an install video just because it's self-explanatory. So if you want to know what your stock sounds like, then go outside, start your car, and that's what it sounds like. And now let's get into it. I'm currently fourth gear. I'm going down to third now. I'm at 3,500 RPMs. I don't know if you guys can hear me back there, but I am going to switch to camera views so you can hear me a lot better. I'm just turning to this church, waiting for my boy. Ooh, them pops. Hey, what's up guys? So I put the camera in the back and now I'm putting it in the front, so let's see if you guys can hear something better. Ooh. Let's go. There's my friend over there in FRS. Currently we're just on a couple back roads. That's where we can fly. Doing little pulls for you guys. Currently at 90 miles per hour. Still flooring it. Time for me to slow my ass down. Okay, downshift down to third gear. I'm currently at 4,500 RPMs at 60 miles per hour. Give another pull. exhaust to just a nameless muffler delete, it's night and day difference. So much louder, you get nice cracks and pops. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna drop down to third gear again. Man, I love this car so much. This car is so fun. So fun. I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera right now. I'm trying to focus on these windy turns. So, yeah, I don't want to die today. Shit. What the fuck? God damn. Fucking big ass fucking tractors. That's what you get when you live in freaking Tennessee. Well, I just entered Kentucky, but yeah, when you live in Tennessee, man, you see some crazy shit. It's crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more pull for you guys, and then I'm gonna head back to the church, and then we'll do some flybys. Yeah, we're gonna head back to the church now.
Whatever the destination is, I'ma lead them numbers on the dash.
Actually, fuck, one more pull. My first car was a 2015 Toyota Corolla, and man, when I got back from my last deployment, I decided, fuck it, right? I'm just gonna get a fast ass car, or I should say quick, and that's why I ended up with my baby, my WRX. Such a fun car. Bro, you seen that big ass tractor?
Dude, that motherfucker almost hit me.
Bro, I thought it was gonna hit me too.
Like his right side was in the grass.
Mm-hmm.
And like
I thought he was gonna run over the damn mailbox.
Yeah, and he swerved right before he got there and almost fucking hit me, man.
Fucking yokels, man.
Fucking yokels, dude.
Shit's funny.
Bro, you were getting it though, son.
Yeah, we were,
Holy
man.
Shit.
What's up, guys? So now we're gonna do some drive-bys with my boy, little JJ.
What's going on?
Yeah, so now we're just gonna set up something on the street and we're gonna go fast. Let's do it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is actually my first video I'm doing on YouTube. So if you guys can, subscribe, comment, like. I respond to every single comment. So you can do that and stay tuned for the next vid. Thank you. Peace.
I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded, low key and staying candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at, search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to, finding comfort in the zones of closet.